Hi guys, my name is Felix Matritsky, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to start your own online business. And before I'm going to start talking about this, I'd like to introduce myself to you a little bit more and briefly. I've been doing this online business for 7 years, and I've been in several multi-level marketing companies, some network marketing companies. I've been selling affiliate marketing products, and I had a share of success and a share of failure. Okay, and the reason for this video is for you to avoid the failure that I had experienced, and therefore we're gonna start with number one. Thing number one to start an online business venture. Okay, so number one is to find a mentor. So, who is a mentor? A mentor is going to be a person who is going to take you um, and sort of steer you to the right direction so you can avoid the pits and falls and to avoid mistakes. Well, this is a business, and in any other businesses like out there are going to be pits and falls, and there are going to be mistakes done. However, if a mentor recommends something, that I would recommend you to kind of keep that close to your heart and try to do things that mentor recommends to a T. Okay, the mentor is not going to do things for you, so there's going to be a lot of learning, a lot of skill acquiring going on, and practice makes everything great and makes everything right. And so you are not going to be without it. Okay, so you're going to have to do a lot of learning. So thing number two to keep in mind, and I might sound sarcastic and facetious right now, however, I'm not. And that is, you got to have a computer and a high-speed internet, okay? And the reason I'm saying that is because a lot of people are trying to get away having just smartphones and iPads. And maybe in the beginning, in the very early stages of your journey, that might fly. In the long run, it won't. Okay, it's simply because the smartphones and the iPads cannot do certain things that computers will, and it doesn't matter whether it's Microsoft based or Mac computer. It doesn't really matter. As long as you have that and a high-speed internet, you're going to be just fine. And this is the best thing to do in order to start the business right. Okay. So thing number three is tools of the trade. I am pretty sure that every now and then you're going on the street and you see whether it might be a plumber or a carpenter, and they're walking around with a toolbox, and you see all sorts of tools in their toolboxes, and every tool that they do have in there does its own thing. Okay, same thing with online business. Okay, we are going to need tools, and we are going to need to invest some money into acquiring those tools. The good thing about this is these tools are not anywhere even close to being expensive as the tools that people use in their brick and mortar businesses. Okay, so this is not going to break your bank. However, you do need them. Okay, and what kind of tools are they? And I'm going to speak briefly about them so I don't take too much of your time. So the first tool that is absolutely being needed in our business is autoresponder. The next one is going to be a funnel builder. And the third one that is absolutely essential is a tracking software. All these tools are kind of cloud-based. Some of them are being you're going to have to download, but these are the three absolutely necessary tools in your toolbox, so to speak, that you have to have. Okay. There are tons of them on internet you can get, but I use certain ones and I use them for a very, very long time, and I'm very, very happy about them, okay, using them because they do exactly what I need them to be, that they are needed for, okay? And when you have all these tools, you are going to be able to kind of put everything together, tie everything together, put in a big system that works like a big oiled machine, okay? And it's gonna run smooth if you do it right, okay? And that's basically it, okay? There's not much. Obviously, there are going to be things in between that you're going to have to learn about. There's going to be things that you might need additional tools, but like I said, like in any other business, this is expected and this is needed. If you're going to compare dollar for dollar online business and a brick and mortar business, the investments are significantly smaller in online business, and you cannot even compare. However, the income potentials are incredible, just incredible, providing that you do all the necessary things that needed to be done. And if you're going to listen to your mentor and follow their suggestions, okay? So, about the tools and other steps, I'm going to create a 4 days video series where I'm going to be talking in depth other things, okay? The reason it's going to be 4 days is probably I'm going to be able to fit in those 4 days the absolutely necessary things for you to learn about, where you can actually start your online business and start your income procedure, okay? So you're going to have to start things that are going to be producing income for you, okay? So if you like this video, if you like what you heard, please hit the like button below, subscribe for my video channel, and there's going to be a link below this video where you can actually register for those 4 days where you can actually learn things in depth, okay? Thank you very much and have a great day, okay? Bye-bye.